We are at 7-Eleven. Do not forget your double gulp cup. The double gulp cup is the best drink you can get.
Nah, dude. I was thinking about Mustang. You want one?
Oh shit. Welcome back to the channel. Obviously, as you know, this is retro vlogs, you know what I'm saying?
No, it's Retro 2V actually. Start the car.
So loud.
Yo guys, welcome back to another video on Retro 2V. Today we are going to a car meet right now. I got the Eddies and the Cobra. We're taking the 2-valve and the Cobra over there to this meet that's pretty close to us. We're first gonna stop at my friend's house. Meet we're done, we're all gonna go in the packed over there and see what's going on at the meet. Shit, look what it is.
How are you?
How you doing? You good?
How's work?
I didn't work today, no. I work tomorrow.
Lucky. Change of ideas. We are not at a car meet right now. We are actually at Wawa because, well, apparently at the car meet, oh shit, guy, fuck. Apparently at the car meet is like pouring really hard and it's starting to rain here too a little bit. So we're just gonna chill out here until it clears up a little bit and then we'll go hop onto the car meet. So hopefully it clears up a little bit. Huh? switching sides?
No, bro.
Bro.
Nah, bro, switch.
That boy said switching sides. Yo! Oh! Fuck no, bro. Oh shit, okay. Anyway, we're here. We made it to the car meet. It's currently just... Oh shit, I just hit whatever I just hit. Jesus Christ. Anyway, it's currently raining, so it's a rainy car meet, and it's fireworks, I guess. I don't know. We'll pull up and see, but I guess that's fireworks. Holy shit. Raining, but people still outside, bro. What the fuck? Bro, this is insane, dude. Oh, okay, we're finally here at the meet. We got Chris over here. Christopher.
Just my clean.
Damn, you look different. Holy shit.
I got a haircut.
Holy shit.
Ah, but look at the taillights though.
Whole new dude. Let me see.
Oh.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yo, the sequentials. Nice.
Okay, doesn't want to do it.
That's actually amazing. I like that.
Hello, mate.
Fuck yeah. Hello, Mike.
In Spain.
I know.
We had to bring the RC again. It's open, I think, by the way. Yeah, I kind of saw it. I was like, ah, he did it on purpose.
I popped it right now.
Oh.
So now you have to flex it.
Open and close it.
Oh yeah, let's get this. Let's get this. First thing we looking at
The Toyota
the
Yaris.
Toyota Yaris.
Like fucking
Toyota
15s. What are these 15s, bro?
Those are go-kart wheels, bro. Hey, look at the go-kart wheels. Tiny ass wheels. Nice.
That's kind of funny.
Go check out some fucking cars, bro. Two Mustangs, Eddie? Yin and Yang, the future? That's me and Eddie in the future.
Yeah, except mine is gonna be Cobra as well.
You have a GT350?
Yeah.
Nah, 500.
No, I want manual.
Ah, see, he's cultured.
Oh,
you're at the moon.
I thought that was the moon, but that was
What is that? What the fuck
that
is
was a
that?
light that turned into looking like the moon.
Oh, that looks sick, dude. Red, the white and the black. I love that shit. Shit's nice.
What the fuck? That's a kidnapper mobile.
What's he gonna do? Well, I think we'll do it. It looks like fucking, I don't know. Looks like a gunshot. It's like a 1776 gunshot went off, bro.
Alright. Musket.
Musket.
You know, Luis? She has a boy. Luis asked me if I wanted to sell the Prelude because he wants to buy an EK and make it a drag car that I drive. a drag car that I drive on Chrome and Okeechobee.
That's it though?
No, and take it to the track for drag racing.
Yeah,
like,
track car.
like you know like those boosted ass, completely like gutted out Civics.
Yeah.
He wants me to go and he wants like to buy one that he has a boy that has an EK hatch, completely build it in the backyard to a fucking drag Civic, and then teach me how to drive it so I can take it to
Wait,
the drag
is it a manual or is it like a ratchet shit? What is
No,
it?
it would be a manual and then fucking K20, fucking fully fucking
Jesus Christ.
like 16 pounds of boost on that bitch.
Shit. It's starting to rain a lot more now. Y'all probably can't see it. I can see it, yeah. Oh, fuck me. Everybody go back to y'all cars. Yo, Eddie, it's like that one scene in Convoy. Everybody get back to your trucks.
Yes, sir.
Everybody get back to your trucks.
It's porn, bro.
None of y'all know that reference.
Porn,
None of y'all.
Rubber duck.
Rubber duck.
We are at 7-Eleven. Do not forget your double gulp cup. The double gulp cup is the best drink you can get.
Nah, dude. I was thinking about Mustang.
Oh.
You want one? What? Double gulp cup. Damn,
Yo, and we're not even sponsored, cuh.
we should get sponsored.
We don't even sponsor,
Get
cuh.
sponsored, bro. We got the bench, we got the table, whatever you want to call it. Everyone eating.
Yo, I'm driving up to Cocoa Beach. Who's coming?
Cocoa Beach for what?
I'm driving up to Cocoa Beach for one day. When I get my car back, I'm actually driving.
Your car's gonna break down.
No, it ain't.
Says his car breaks down.
Nah.
That's just
It's
gonna
been in the shop that long
overheat.
and it overheats.
That's just gonna go
I'm
out
shooting the
again.
bitch up.
He's gonna blow the throttle bearing,
like,
racing me.
has, like, a
My car gonna be fine, it's bulletproof.
Nah, I'm literally getting my
He's not
500 miles job done in one day.
Dude, don't do that, bro. And then you're gonna do a race with me and blow it up again.
No, I'm not. I got my 100 miles done.
It's 500.
Huh?
500 miles.
Yeah, 500. I'm going 250 up to Cocoa Beach, 250 back down.
Hey, you want some?
So, three videos later, guys. So Adrian blew up the Z again, guys.
I'm making a Cobra, baby. Gotta hit the exhaust pipes next.
Can I get the exhaust pipes next? How you feeling, brother?
Kind of tired.
Oh,
Kind of tired. I think I'm gonna do a burnout.
don't do it right now. Actually, don't do anything. You can rev, but don't do anything.
Alright.
I think it's a stock GT. Yeah. Oh, is it the fucking Chevy? I don't even know. Anyway, oh gee, wait a minute. This don't fool me. Hold on. Oh my boy, this is a V6. Oh no hate, but like
Delete the clip.
delete the clip. Hey, fool me though. It almost fooled me. Yeah, it can't fool me though. Cause look, the side ducts, whatever, those are 01, and the rest of the car is 04 with a Terminator bumper. It's like mine, but mine's a GT at least. So
Yeah.
but mine's no better. It's still fake. Yeah.
It don't matter. As long as it's not a V6.
Yeah, super clean. Alright, we gonna head out. We better head out. It's time to go home.
45 to an hour.
Better head out. It's time to go home. The meet was great. I got nice shots. It was pretty fun.
I'll record the little startup. I got you.
Okay, bet.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yin and yang. Yin and yang up in the building.
Yin and yang. At least it sounds good.
for sure with this wet weather and everything.
Oh my god, my exhaust.
Ooh. Oh no, po-po. That bitch was spinning.
Slow down for Eddie.
That bitch was spinning. Oh shit! That thing saved your life. The little cop passing by.
Well, the cop passing by where?
Yeah, the cop just went through
I
right
didn't
here.
fucking see it, bro. I didn't even fucking see it. Not paying
Oh,
attention.
nice little 370 over
Nice
there.
little 370 over there.
Yeah.
Kind of late to meet.
I think he's a little late.
A little late. It's, meet's about to end probably.
Oh yeah, look at him coming in. Oh yeah. Damn, this bitch gets hot.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another issue with my car. I don't know why it gets so hot in there. I think it's...
No, not your car, the camera.
Oh, the camera? Oh, well, yeah, it's a little GoPro. Anyway.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe so I can keep funding this piece of shit. Love you guys.
Today's Saturday, I called it.
See you guys later.